Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with the essentials. Verify your PC is online and that a browser loads pages. This isolates the store. Once done, turn off VPN or proxy because they often block store services. Next, run the built-in network troubleshooter to detect common issues. Open an elevated PowerShell and run ipconfig/flushtons to clear stale DNS entries, which can fix name resolution failures. These steps eliminate connection layer causes, so you can focus on the store itself. Once network basics are clean, target the store, run WS reset. EXE to clear its cache. This often fixes stuck downloads. If the store still misbehaves, re-register it. Open PowerShell as admin and run the Microsoft Store reinstallation command to repair app packages. This addresses corrupted app manifests. Make sure related services, Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and the Store Service are running because the store depends on them for package metadata and downloads. To finish, repair system integrity. Run sfc/scano and then dism restore health to fix corrupted system files that block store operations. If errors persist, create a new local user to check profile issues or reinstall the store app via PowerShell to replace damaged components. Restart your PC after each major step to apply changes. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, test using a mobile hotspot or set your router DNS to 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8. This quickly reveals ISP or DNS problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.